Weighing in at only 200 grams and designed to fit in your pocket, the FIVERAY M20C Lite delivers a powerful performance comparable to larger devices. This compact tool proves to be incredibly useful for photo shoots or parties. With a peak power of 20 WS, it boasts a 40-minute battery life and allows you to conveniently adjust color temperature and backlighting directly from your smartphone. Explore creative possibilities by experimenting with shades, diffusers, and more to achieve personalized lighting effects, such as diffused light. The FIVERAY M20C is available at a price of $169. The creators of ERGOREAD have achieved remarkable success, surpassing their initial $2,000 Kickstarter goal by raising over $95,000. Backers were attracted to the device's distinctive features, as it functions not only as a neck heater, but also as a fan, light, speaker, and wireless microphone. Capable of reaching temperatures up to 60 degrees C, ERGOREAD allows users to customize the brightness and color temperature of the light. With a full battery, it boasts an impressive 32-hour lifespan. Currently, ERGOREAD is on the market for $59. Introducing RUKUS Just Play FX, a DJ console that puts the power of a DJ at your fingertips. With an array of functions, you can seamlessly mix 80 sound effects and access 120 tracks. The console comes preloaded with content, but you also have the flexibility to incorporate your own sounds and songs. An official app allows you to fine-tune your recorded music and easily share it. Additionally, when you're not immersed in DJing, the console transforms into a video game controller. Priced at $57, RUKUS Just Play FX offers a great deal for those who aspire to experience the sensation of being a DJ like David Guetta. Say goodbye to trash, bid adieu to unpleasant odors, and part ways with overflowing bins. Meet the ALMOWAY Composter. This remarkable device effortlessly turns food scraps into compost with a simple touch. Whether it's fruits, vegetables, meats, bread, or bones, simply load them into ALMOWAY, and within just 4 hours, you'll have nutrient-rich compost ready to use. With a 3-liter capacity, it operates quietly, akin to a fridge, ensuring it won't disrupt your conversations. The ALMOWAY is priced at $240, offering a convenient and effective solution for sustainable waste management. This puzzle stands out as truly extraordinary, achieving an impressive funding of over $61,000 on Kickstarter. Crafted from 627 intricately designed metal and glass pieces, it assembles into a captivating high-tech spider that emits a stunning glow. The flexibility of certain joints adds an interactive element, and the plasma lamp illuminates in a truly spectacular fashion. It's worth noting that the assembly process is a detailed undertaking, requiring approximately 6 hours. Priced at $79, this puzzle offers not just a challenging activity, but also a visually striking piece of art for enthusiasts. During the 1960s, Edwin van Arbeck's grandfather had a keen interest in crafting mechanical birds. Edwin carried on this family tradition and developed the X-Fly, a remarkably lightweight drone weighing just 12 grams. Not only does this drone remain airborne for 10 to 12 minutes on a full battery, but it also boasts smartphone control capabilities. The wing design of the X-Fly received contributions from the French military, who sought a compact drone with the ability to fly at an altitude of around 100 meters. The X-Fly, complete with a battery and charger, is available for purchase at the reasonable price of $86. This exceptional firearm stands out with its capacity for 6 rubber band shots, covering an effective range of approximately 6 meters. Its pocket-friendly size adds to its practicality, making it a versatile choice for users of all ages. While initially recommended for children by the manufacturer, there's a distinct potential for adults to find amusement, particularly in office settings. The package includes the gun, along with a generous supply of 100 rubber bands, all at an appealing price point of $15, making it a cost-effective and enjoyable option for a diverse range of users. Despite its toy-like appearance, the seller refers to this crossbow as a metal work of art. It has the capability to fire both 2-gram mini arrows and 4 mm diameter steel balls. The trigger design has been updated to enhance the shooting experience and facilitate easier reloading. The package includes 50 mini arrows and 2 spare crossbow strings, all available for an estimated price of around $130. Despite its resemblance to a child's toy, this crossbow proves to be a versatile and unique piece. The Leatherman-style CS multi-tool, relied upon by the US military, offers a dependable choice. With a price tag of $34, it features a knife, screwdriver, scissors, tweezers, file, and a carabiner equipped with a built-in bottle opener. At a weight of 40 g, it presents itself as a compact and adaptable tool. Meet ARTEMIS, an innovative bow that brings archer expertise right to your home. This unique bow transforms training into a fun game. Simply find a square meter of space and stand at least 1.5 meters away from the screen. It's suitable for both right-handed and left-handed users and is easy to use even for beginners. The app offers various shooting modes from casual to Olympic level. Plus, makers are working on upgrades for real bows. Right now, ARTEMIS is available for $105. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.